Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making Cacio e Pepe. So, first you're going to have to grab yourself some Pecorino Romano. Then grate roughly 40 grams of cheese. Then you can save that cheese rind for soups and sauces. Next, we can grind the pepper into a pan. I'd recommend roughly 1 to 2 teaspoons. Now, we can toast the peppercorns until they're aromatic. Once those are nice and toasted, we can season our water. For pasta water, always make sure to heavily season. Once your water's boiling, you can add your pasta. To make your sauce, start off by making a cheese paste by adding some of your pasta water to your cheese. Make sure to give your cheese paste a good mix. Once your pasta's al dente, you can drain your pasta. So, I added a little bit of water to my pepper pan, and now I'm going to add my pasta. Make sure to mix your pepper into your pasta so that it's evenly coated. Now we can add our cheese paste to the pan. Turn off the heat and now you can get mixing. Mix as fast as you can to get any lumps out. If it's looking dry, you can always add a splash of warm water. And there you have it, there's your Cacio e Pepe. Thanks so much for watching, like and subscribe for new recipes.